Tired of your waves looking frizzy, flat, or fake, no matter how many products or techniques you try? This might be the last tutorial you'll ever need. These 5 styles changed the game for me, and I'm sharing them all today. Hey everyone, welcome back. I've always loved wavy hair, but styling it, that was a whole other story. After years of trial and error, I finally discovered 5 reliable techniques that actually work for natural waves, heatless curls, and defined volume. Let's jump right in. 1. The rope braid waves. This is perfect for no heat levers. Start with slightly damp hair, part into 2 sections, and twist each side like a rope. Secure into 2 buns overnight. In the morning, unravel, shake gently, and enjoy soft, natural waves. Want to see how real, raw, wavy hair looks like in real life? Check out our video, Raw Hair Transformation, for a full before and after. 2. The deep wave iron method. Using a deep wave iron can create those defined, glam waves. Work in sections, spray light heat protectant, and press for 5 to 8 seconds. Perfect for events, date nights, or photo shoots. 3. The claw clip curls. This trick went viral for a reason. Twist your hair into a bun using a claw clip. Leave it for a few hours or overnight. Unclip for soft, lived-in waves with 0 damage. Bonus: if you're using clip-ins, don't miss our How to Clip In Raw Hair Extensions video, step-by-step and beginner-friendly. 4. The braid and wand combo. This technique gives you the best of both worlds: texture from braids and smooth definition from the wand. Start by loosely braiding sections of your dry or lightly damp hair. The bigger the braid, the looser the waves. Then, take your curling wand and gently press over each braid, holding for 5 to 7 seconds. Once you release the braid and run your fingers through, you'll get that perfectly imperfect beachy wave look. Natural, effortless, and full of volume. 5. The wet look wave. Apply curl cream and mousse to soaking wet hair. Scrunch upward and let air dry or diffuse. Once dry, use a light oil to separate the waves and reduce crunch. This gives that soft but defined wet wave red carpet look. Curious about how raw wavy bundles hold this style long term? Watch this next. Raw wavy bundles. What makes them so special? That's it. 5 proven ways to master your waves without stress or damage. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because your best hair days are just getting started. And if you want to see real transformations, explore more tutorials on our Raw Hair Luxury channel.